So I spilled wax all over the place, on the floor, on the wax pot, the lid. Don't ask me how it happened, but let me show you how it's going to unhappen. I just left it there and let everything completely harden. As you can see, it'll just peel right off. And then if you have a scraper, which I get mine from Home Depot, you can connect it to the stick, which you can also purchase at Home Depot. You just kind of scrape whatever's on the floor because it's already dry, completely dry. Just get up underneath there. Pieces will be flying everywhere, and then just sweep it up. Easy like that. Now, you can also go over with alcohol to break up more of the little pieces of wax, and then Goo Gone to get the rest up. And now it looks like nothing ever happened. Beautiful. So now it's time to conquer this. Whatever comes off with my fingers, I take it off, and then I just unscrew the head of the scraper and just go at it. You know what I mean? Whatever doesn't come off, I rely on the heat from the wax pot to take it off. The same thing with this. Do it over the trash can so you do not make a mess, because I'm going to tell you now, things will be flying everywhere. This is just too much wax to rely on the heat of the pot to melt it down. But I got most of it up and then cranked up my wax pot on high. Once it's on high for about 4 or 5 minutes, you can take some of that Goo Gone and just kind of wipe off all the wax. See? Simple, simple, and easy. Don't forget the lid. So what I like to do, a nice little trick, is I'll take the lid and I'll flip it upside down so that the heat touches it. And it makes it easier to wipe that off. And now my pot looks brand new. Thanks for watching. Bye.